So we're there, I put in the work. So yeah, until we link up to the secret. Bae, as me tell her, today is her birthday. But me not telling her who. I say it's be excitement to go on. So go on journey the boy. I vlogger, so
yes, sir.
we're here.
There.
There's this.
Let's sign us.
Here she is. This is Bae. So Bae is here.
I'm here.
And guess
I'm
what?
here.
Today
Yo,
is
you know where
My birthday.
releasing dopamine, dopamine. I dash myself with
heels. On the peeps. Heels.
Alright, so Gio, who going with you? You can take the boy.
Heels, youth. Big head boy, heels, no man. How are you, man? You see, Uncle Sacks attack here, youth. How are you, man? Love yourself, you know. Look up yourself, you know, miss. Love your GSE color, them, you know. Oh my God. Eva, girl, you got it. One a nice one, man. She look like Nicki Minaj, I like it. It's real. It's not plastic. Made by God, must be good. There's no other. Oh my God.
Come true, I'm waiting on your patience. Want you, let me know if you wake up.
Hey, boo, So, it's alright, we still love you same way, girl. Jaida, she names still, but I don't know if she's saying Kiki. You got yourself, you know. Yeah. I got myself, you know, the whole team there, you know. I got myself, you know. My one. Yeah, man. Top shelf. It's not a good thing that forget, you know. Born is not. Life is so unfair. Me even buy for KFC there. Cause we use half the money, the KFC money, and go buy Pringles. I don't know what go on. Alright, vloggers, so here we are. The entire team is walking. Sign us. White teeth, black body. You know, did. White teeth, black body.
Bruh.
Yeah. In a life, see people on mine. Energy, yeah. Them now go get fit train my head.
Come on, young people. What? 2, 3, 4. What? 2, 3, 4. Look at them up down, watch ya. Jamie road manager, see? This is the real behind the scene, them now you see. And when the camera turn on, we are here now on location. Them are dead. A lie. Vlog world them wicked so till them are dead, them are dead, you know.
You are dead, but them is the boy.
Yeah,
Take the boy in your chest, dad.
boy, say 5 minutes walk, we know half an hour.
We just start walking.
You see me tell you now?
Caution, caution, pan the one, you be careful, cause the lion belly careful. Give it to you, sweep and the beats, yeah.
So vlog world, this is the spot. Look on this lovely spot. Woo! I live where you vacate. Yo, vlog world. Woo! Yo, guess how we there? Me no know. We there one bush place.
Yeah, bush called.
Yeah, so me no know. One bush. And beer music are playing in the background, so me I get copyright. Alright, so let's step all the way over here. Make beer night. Damn! Yo, why y'all want YouTube be rushing me, eh? Yeah, man, so who there? Everybody there? Find a wonderful spot. It's loud, you know, but that's louder. Right? I'm a poor here. Not troubler from day. Hey! No, Sharon. You jump on her. You love yourself, you know. She look like she gonna do something like nigga. Nigga, here you go. Watch me and you later, nigga. You just does this to me? Nigga, you dead. Say if I miss a black girl and you don't know here, I was up here. I don't know where exactly, but I was up here. Yeah. With the next people's them. This is Nicki Minaj, a natural one, made by God, must be good. No plastic. Mom, look, hands free. Woo! Hands free, man. And there's the other one. Oh my God, Mom, can I keep her? Can I keep her, Mom? Can I keep this one? What's that? Oh, so the swimmer that over there, so. Yo, see the hot one here now. See the hot one here now. See the hot one here come here. Right, that one here. That one here extraordinary like digital. Oh my God. You know what I mean? The national swimmer this, you know, the swimmer this, you see it? She's shy, so I don't know. Or maybe I mean, I'm not that ugly. I can't go on though. I can't go on, I'm not that ugly. You hear that vlog girl? Any vlog girl, just go and turn in the boy. Whoop. The whole team there. I don't know why nobody ain't swimming, but me still give myself some trouble, you know. Oh my God, look on the cutie. Oh, selfie. That's known as a Aussie. That's a Aussie. Woo! See that? Hold on. Take time.
No, that's the GPS. Land up some. Huh? Land up. No, as in, when it fly, it knows where it is, right?
Yeah.
Because of the GPS. But we now get no GPS in here. But can you have to turn it back? Because it uses the GPS to know where to go. Yeah, I want that.
It's a portrait.
Jump!
So bro,
Yeah.
how was the experience when you just touched down from a top now?
Cool.
No, so me not going in the water there, right?
No, man, if you go, you can't come.
No, man a puss, man. Man a puss. God knows I'm not too big. Lion not too touch water, you see it? So God understand me never like rain touch me. You see it? Yeah, man, you see it? Chison, didn't you say you're going?
Huh?
You never say I go swim? Oh, that was funny, bro.
I don't like fish.
You ain't a fish, though.
But I'm going to read. That's a read.
Okay, you better go in the water, girl.
You better go in the water.
Me? Man, an artist, me no like swim. Man, come a river in a purple jeans.
You look like Loco.
Bruh.
What?